We often talk about the best work at home opportunities and ways to work for yourself, such as freelance writing, selling craft, or bookkeeping. But what if you feel like you are not good in any of these niches? Well, today I have something for you, which is Web Search Evaluator. So, what is Web Search Evaluator? It's a lesser known work at home job, but it is flexible, completely remote, and as per the information I gather online and from people who have been working as web search evaluators, it's a pretty easy to start. Some of them have even told me how much they love the job. If you want to get your feet wet with working online, working as a web search evaluator might be a good fit for you. So what is web search evaluator? Almost all of us turn to Google for almost everything, right? But Google is operated by machines and algorithm, and sometimes it gives you results that are not relevant to your search. For example, when you look for information on roses, flowers, but Google gives you information on roses, a song by the Chainsmokers, then the search result doesn't match your query. For some people, this can be frustrating, and for businesses that can mean losing money. So search engines like Google and Microsoft pay companies or agencies to evaluate search results for them and make sure that the results are useful and relevant to their users. That way, Google and Microsoft won't have to rely on their algorithms alone. The input from search engine evaluators also allow them to better fine-tune the results pages and meet the needs of internet users. So as a search engine evaluator, the real client you'll be working for is actually Google and Microsoft. So what does it take to become a search engine evaluator? The requirements for each company or agency may vary, but when you are looking for a search engine evaluator work from home gigs, you will find the following as the common denominator: at least 18 years old on the computer or laptop or mobile device with iOS or Android processors, and have a stable and high-speed internet connection. Savvy about the web culture and social media, and you have excellent researching skills. College degree preferable but not required. You will be doing a lot of research, so it pays to have a good grasp of journal knowledge. Search engine evaluator salary: how much can you make? Web search evaluator jobs pay quite decently. According to Glassdoor, search engine evaluator salary hovers between $20 to $25 depending on which company you work for. It also pays to remember that some companies require you to work for minimum hours per week, while others only count the hours they estimate you'll finish the job, which means any number of hours worked outside the prescribed period will not be credited toward your pay. But overall, for an online job that doesn't require any special skill or degree or even search engine evaluation training, this seems like a promising way to make supplemental income. So how to become a search engine evaluator? As mentioned, there are no special skills required to become a web search evaluator.